is, how do we get the samples home? Mars is a world where nothing comes easy. It's freezing, barren, and completely unforgiving. Yet, against all odds, a robotic explorer built by humans has just crossed a milestone that feels incredibly human. NASA's Perseverance rover has officially completed a full marathon distance on the red planet.
Flight, we are tracking the telemetry. Orbital insertion is optimal.
Driving 26.2 miles on Earth might take a runner a few hours. But on Mars, it took 5 years and 4 months of careful, meticulous navigating, traveling on 6 wheels. This car-sized laboratory hit the historic mark on the 1,890th Martian day of its mission, which scientists call a soul. Dealing with signal delays, unexpected rocks, and treacherous sand traps that could end the mission in a heartbeat. This isn't just a neat space trivia fact. The route Perseverance has been taking was chosen for a very specific, groundbreaking reason. The rover has been rolling through Jezero Crater. Billions of years ago, this massive impact basin held a lake fed by an ancient river delta. NASA chose this exact spot because where there was once water, there may preserve clues about ancient microbial life. Perseverance isn't just driving. It's hunting for the ultimate answer to whether we are alone in the universe. Along its 26-mile marathon route, the rover has already gathered a rare, priceless collection of Martian rocks and regolith. These samples are sealed inside pristine titanium tubes, carefully cataloged and stowed away. They contain the history of Mars written in stone, volcanic rocks, sedimentary layers, and chemistry that could change our understanding of the solar system forever. But as the rover celebrates its marathon milestone, the biggest question facing space agencies now is simple. How does humanity actually get those samples home? The plans for a Mars sample return mission are complex, expensive, and incredibly ambitious. But until then, Perseverance keeps rolling, one soul at a time. What do you think we will find in those rocks? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more space updates.